The Audi RS4 B9 2018 is already a car that commands attention. Its sleek lines, aggressive stance, and track-inspired styling make it stand out on the road. But for enthusiasts who want to push its design and performance cues even further, a carbon front lip splitter is one of the most effective upgrades. It's a component that blends aesthetics with function, offering a more aggressive look while subtly influencing aerodynamics. The first element that makes this front lip splitter remarkable is the construction. Made from high-quality carbon fiber, it's exceptionally lightweight yet incredibly strong. The weave of the carbon fiber is perfectly aligned, giving it a premium appearance that immediately catches the eye. It's the kind of material that conveys both sophistication and performance, enhancing the front fascia of the RS4 without appearing aftermarket or out of place. For those who appreciate meticulous engineering, the attention to detail is evident from the moment it's removed from the box. Installation is surprisingly straightforward, which is a notable advantage for any enthusiast. The splitter comes with all the required mounting hardware, including brackets, screws, and alignment templates. With some basic tools and careful measurement, it can be installed at home, delivering a precise fit without professional assistance. The design ensures that it aligns seamlessly with the contours of the factory bumper, creating the impression that it was part of the original Audi design. Beyond the visual enhancement, the splitter has functional benefits. By managing airflow along the front bumper, it helps reduce lift at higher speeds. While this isn't a radical performance modification, the improvement is noticeable during spirited driving. The front end feels more planted, providing a subtle but tangible boost to stability. It's a perfect example of how thoughtful design can enhance both aesthetics and driving dynamics simultaneously. In terms of visual impact, the transformation is immediate. The carbon fiber lip lowers the apparent stance of the RS4, giving the front end a more aggressive and purposeful appearance. The glossy finish of the carbon fiber catches and reflects light beautifully, adding depth and texture that accentuates the car's aggressive lines. The result is a front fascia that looks more dynamic and track-ready while preserving the understated elegance that Audi is known for. Durability is another area where this splitter excels. Carbon fiber is inherently strong and resistant to wear, and this accessory is no exception. It can withstand everyday driving challenges, from minor road debris to varying weather conditions, without compromising its structural integrity or finish. Cleaning is minimal, simply a microfiber cloth and mild cleaner are sufficient to maintain its showroom-quality appearance. Unlike metal alternatives that may rust or dent, carbon fiber remains resilient and attractive over time. Precision and compatibility are key highlights. This splitter is engineered specifically for the Audi RS4 B9 2018, ensuring a perfect fit with factory components. There is no need for cutting or drilling, which preserves the integrity of the original bumper. Every curve and edge is designed to complement the vehicle's existing lines, delivering a cohesive, factory-inspired look. The aerodynamic influence, while subtle, is worth noting. The splitter channels airflow around the bumper, which can reduce front-end lift at higher speeds. This results in improved confidence when driving aggressively, particularly on open roads or during spirited cornering. It's a small but meaningful enhancement that aligns perfectly with the RS4's performance-oriented design. The visual sophistication extends to the detailing. Edges are sculpted to create a fluid transition from the bumper to the splitter, which ensures that the accessory looks integrated rather than attached. This careful attention to design reinforces the vehicle's sporty persona, enhancing road presence without feeling over the top. From a value standpoint, this carbon front